In today's world, there is a lot of hustle and bustle. There are places to be, deadlines to meet, and errands to run. We are surrounded by manufacturing systems that help us fulfill these tasks. But are we aware of them? BYU Laundry, located in Provo, Utah, a building many of you have seen before. You may have thought it was just an ordinary laundromat. But what really goes on inside this building?
We have summer camps going on. We do a lot more sheets and towels. We do everything for the MTC on a weekly basis. There's a sheet rotation going on up there.
BYU Laundry is one of the largest and most complex laundry and dry cleaning operations in the state of Utah. It is an institution of high volume laundry. Their main customers are the MTC and BYU institutions, but they also offer services for regular customer orders. They wash all of the bedding for the MTC, rags from BYU Creamery and cleaning services, the uniforms from many of BYU's institutions, and they also do laundry for smaller companies around the area.
The tablecloths, institutional laundry, I think that's closer to in the million-plus pounds a year, 40,000 pounds a week.
How does this system improve our lives? Let's look at the volume of laundry washed yearly. This machine, referred to as the tunnel wash by employees, can wash 100 pounds of laundry every 5 minutes. A normal washer can wash about 8 pounds per load. With BYU Laundry washing over 40,000 pounds of laundry a week, it would take over 700 regular loads of laundry per day to match the sheer volume achieved by BYU's laundry facility. BYU Laundry washes, dries, sorts, irons, folds, and packages the sheets, all at an impressive rate.
Hand press everything, it would take you so long to do it, you couldn't make the money. So you basically need the equipment.
Without this complex system, they wouldn't be able to get their linens washed in a reasonable amount of time. This system has a lot of capabilities, but these capabilities come with a price.
Dry cleaning and laundry equipment is not cheap at all. There's a little tiny puffing machine that literally just puffs steam into like a shoulder or an arm of a shirt, and I think those are just that little piece of equipment, like $3,000, and that's a cheap thing. The big tunnel washer we have is probably $500,000. I know a shirt press, they're about $20,000. So you got to press a lot of shirts to pay that off.
With all of the costs, one might question the risk of these high prices. Is it worth it?
Very much worth it.
The performance and profit of this system make these big price tags worth it. BYU Laundry started out dependent on funds from the university, but is now self-sufficient and still growing. The system makes it possible for the provision of essential services to its dependent companies. So what would our life be like without manufacturing systems like BYU Laundry? A lot harder. Almost every business incorporates some sort of manufacturing system that makes our fast-paced lifestyle possible. They may not be as big or as costly as the machines at BYU Laundry, but without these processes, our lives would be very different.